Ma'am, I have started the recording.
Okay. Good morning, class 6A. Kindly be ready with your English grammar book and copy. We are doing exercise B from page number 127. That is from question number 11 onwards. I have already asked you to write the questions and I am sure all of you are doing the work in fair copy. We will do the 11th one. Why did they catch the birds? In the bracket, write down simple past. Please put today's date. It is 5th of February. Simple past. Fine. Your suggestions now. Yes, Advika was raising hand. Advika, what is the passive voice for this?
Ma'am, by whom the birds were catched?
No, beta. Why were the birds? Okay, Aaron is raising hand. Try out the next one and let me tell this to you. Why were the birds caught by them? Why were, W-E-R-E, why were the birds caught by them? Question mark. Question number 12. I hope you have written the question already. Yes, Aaron. The tailor delivered all the uniforms on time. Tell me the tense. Aaron, Afan.
Can I, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, the tense is present perfect.
No. Do you see have, has, have or has? If it is there, then only it is present perfect.
Ma'am, my mic is open, ma'am. Can I tell now?
Okay. Yes. Yes, Aaron.
Ma'am, it is simple past tense.
Yes, okay, this is simple past. So bracket, write down in the bracket, write down simple past. The tense is simple past. Now I'm sure you know what is the subject, what is the object and what is the verb. So we will not waste time in underlining it. Aaron, quickly tell me what shall be the passive voice for this.
Ma'am, the uniforms was delivered at the time. The
No,
trailer, sorry, ma'am, the universe was delivered by the trailer at the time, on time.
it needs a little correction anyways. Isha?
Yes, ma'am. All the uniforms were delivered by the tailor by time.
Okay, write the answer people. It still requires a little correction. All the uniforms were delivered, all the uniforms were delivered on time by the tailor. All the uniforms were delivered on time by the tailor. Full stop. Question number 13. A plumber repairs leaking taps. Shreyansh Puri, what is the tense?
Simple present tense.
If this is simple present, how will you change it into passive?
Look, leaking taps are repaired by a plumber.
Very good. If you have done it on your own, really very nice. Leaking taps are repaired. No matter what is the tense of the sentence, verb will always be in the third form. You remember? So repairs will change into repaired. R-E-P-A-I-R-E-D. Leaking taps are, because this is present tense, leaking taps are repaired. R-E-P-A-I-R-E-D. Repaired by a plumber. By a plumber. Question number 14. The company has published many good books.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Okay.
Ma'am,
Tense.
ma'am, it is simple present tense.
No, this is
Ma'am,
not
it is
simple present. Have I not? Do you see has in the sentence?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Wait a minute. Do you see has in the sentence? It means
Ma'am,
this is
present perfect.
it means this is present perfect tense. Okay. The company has published many good books. This is present perfect tense. Write the answer.
Ma'am, good books were published by the company.
No, this
Ma'am,
is
may I tell?
incorrect. And
Ma'am, may I tell?
Afan,
Ma'am, may I tell?
Many good books have been published by the companies.
yes, we will make use of have, been and verb in the third form. Write the answer. Many good books. You just have to follow the rules. Once you follow the rules properly, the answer will be correct. Many good books. HAVE. Now why has changed into have? Because books is plural. Many good books have. HAVE. Have BEEN. Have been published by the company. Many good books have been published by the company. Question number 15. Why have they not invited you? Advika,
Ma'am, may I tell? Ma'am, may I
you've
tell?
already told the previous one. Aliza, Darsh, Shreya,
Ma'am,
mute
may I
your
tell?
mic, Aaron, Anna. It is constantly on. Mute your mic. Yes. Anyone who has not yet answered?
Ma'am,
Why have they not invited you?
I have.
What is the tense?
Ma'am, simple present tense.
HAVE have.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Ryan,
Ma'am,
people, I
simple
am going
past.
to listen to me. I am going to disconnect the class and we will not do the fourth period. If all of you are going to unmute your mic and start shouting, ma'am, may I, ma'am, may I. I am going to disconnect the call right now and we will not have the fourth period. So just raise hand. If I call out your name, then only unmute your mic. It causes unnecessary disruption in the class. Ryan, what is the tense?
Ma'am, simple past.
How is it simple past? Yes, Ibrahim Nasir, what is the tense? Have is written. Can you see HAVE, have?
ma'am,
May I tell?
ma'am, present perfect.
One word is enough to identify what tense it is. It is present perfect. Please write down in the bracket present perfect. And all those who shout in the class without revising the previous chapter, kindly do not join the class from tomorrow. I don't care.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
not done. Do not shout with
Okay,
wrong
ma'am.
answers. It is present perfect. I'm telling you, I've already told you 3 times. If it is has or have in this class only, I've told you 3 times. Again, you are shouting with the wrong answer. It means neither you have practiced on your own, nor you are willing to listen to me. Why have they not invited you? In the bracket, write down present perfect. What can be the answer? Just raise your hand. Shreya, Soumya, Vedang, Zidan, Azam. Yes, Ibrahim Nasir?
Ma'am, why they have not invited you?
Are this is active only. Where is passive?
Ma'am, may I?
Shreyansh, you have answered so many times. It looks like nobody else knows the answer.
Agrawal.
Daniel, Advika, Afan, Isha, yes, Vedang.
Why you have not been invited by them?
No, beta, it needs a little correction. Why have you not been invited by them? Write the answer. Why have you not been, B-E-E-N, been invited? Why have you not, B-E-E-N, been invited by them? Question mark. Question number 16. My father has paid for all the expenses for this trip. Question number 16. My father has, H-A-S, has paid for all the expenses for this trip. Yes, Isha?
Ma'am, it is present perfect tense.
Very nice. This is present perfect. Now please be attentive, children. What shall be the passive voice for this, Isha? All the expenses.
Ma'am,
Isha, are you giving it a try?
Yes,
Or I ask
yes,
someone else?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
all the
It will begin
expenses
with
for
all
this
the
trip
expenses.
are
Hmm.
paid by my father.
No, you see, when you write perfect tense, you have to make use of B-E-E-N. Where have you made use of B-E-E-N? Been भी तो लिखना है.
Yes, ma'am. All the expenses have been paid by my father.
All the expenses for this trip. Write the
Yes,
answer. All the expenses for this trip, TRIP, for this trip have been paid for, have been paid for by my father. Full stop. I repeat, all the expenses for this trip have been paid for by my father. Make sure you write all the words. Question number 17. The farmer was plowing the farm. The farmer was, so WS was is there and plowing ing is also there. What is the tense? Darsh Pratap?
Ma'am,
Darsh Pratap? You rose hand. Was it for fun? Advika?
ma'am, may I? Ma'am, I raised
ma'am.
hand.
Ma'am, the farm was being plowed by the farmer.
I'm sorry, I did not get it. Please repeat.
Ma'am, the farm was being plowed by the farmer.
Okay. So children, this is past continuous. Aaron, please put your hand down. May I request you to put your hand down and put the mic off. I will ask you. This is past continuous. Write the answer. The farm was being, B-E-I-N-G. The farm was being plowed, P-L-O-U-G-H-E-D. The farm was being plowed by the farmer. The farm was being plowed by the farmer. Full stop. Question number 18. Someone stole my bag.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I please?
Okay, Aaron.
My bag was stolen by someone.
Okay, fine. My bag was stolen by someone. Or you can also write this, my bag has been stolen. Both ways it can be written. You can write, my bag was stolen. My bag was stolen by someone. Now children, this is also possible that every time we don't write the subject, because the subject here is someone, anybody, somebody. So it is also possible that you write, my bag was stolen or my bag has been stolen. Someone लिखना जरूरी नहीं है. And in this case, by and subject both will not be written. So this is also one way of writing a passive sentence. So you write, my bag was stolen by someone. This is simple past. Simple past. Question number 19. Diana went traveling with just a rucksack. Diana went traveling with just a rucksack. Rucksack means a bori wala bag is a rucksack. Who's going to tell? What is the tense? Aaron Khanna, kindly mute your mic. Your mic is constantly on and I am going to remove you from the class now. I will remove you or you keep your mic off. Darsh. What is the tense? When you raise hand, you should be ready. Advika. Simple past. Children, please write down. This is simple past. Write the answer. Now here, the object is unavailable. Yes, Afan?
Ma'am, isn't it? Ma'am, past continuous because ma'am it is ing in
China
it.
went traveling.
Traveling
Nahin.
ing.
Nahin. Now you see, this is not past continuous. Past
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mom, your voice is not coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Mom, your voice is.
Ma'am, we are not able to listen you.
So it's
Hmm.
Isha, stop the recording.